Hi everybody, it's Lori. I'm giving you some more dinner tips. Tonight I'm making some Parmesan encrusted tilapia again. Not my favorite whitefish, but it basically doesn't have much of a taste. There's a store right by me called Fresh Market that actually puts some Parmesan cheese with a little bit of breadcrumbs, and they sell it for two pieces for $15.98. If you go on Thursdays, you could usually get it 2 for $10, but I usually work late on Thursdays, so that's not happening. I'm having some zucchini veggie spirals or zoodles, whatever you want to call them. I'm having a little bit of no sugar added pasta sauce, not too bad. It is 55 calories for a half a cup. So I'll put that on the zoodles, which I'll just kind of vent it slightly. Because for me, if it thinks dinner can't be ready in about 10 minutes, it's not happening because, again, I work so much and so late that that's about all the time I want dinner to take. I'm just letting my air fryer warm up, and poof, just as I said it, it is warmed up. I like to use these little liners because it helps keep the air fryer clean. So I will go ahead and I will put my tilapia pieces, and they're pretty big pieces of tilapia. I'm going to go ahead and put them in. This one like this. All air fryers are different, so check yours. Mine is like 9 minutes for average fillet of fish, and I have it on the air crisp mode. I've already heated up a little bit of the pasta sauce for 30 seconds. I'm now going to put the zoodles into the microwave, and I'll put that on for about 4 minutes. Hit the magic 4 button, and yeah, I'll clean that up later. I see that. So in about another 8.5 minutes, my dinner is going to be ready. I'll just put the sauce on the zoodles and have the tilapia, and it's going to be very tasty. Plus, the zoodles are going to make me feel like I'm eating a nice pasta dish, but it won't have all the carbs. The sauce doesn't have much sugar, no added sugar, and measured out, that's a little bit more than a half a cup, not by much, so it's about 55-60 calories for the sauce. Anyone will do as long as it's not high in sugar. And between my air fryer and I use Le Creuset frying pan, that's how I do most of my cooking of the fish. So we'll see in another 7.5 minutes. I'll be eating dinner, and I hope you enjoy yours and you all have a good day, night, whatever.